everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the Weld tool in Cricut. Actually, the Weld tool will be one of the most important tools you will need to master. So, with that being said, let's open the app. Let's create a new project. All right, so what is welding? So welding is when you want to eliminate cut lines between two or more images or letters to create one image. So how we're going to do that is we're going to open the text box. We're going to select a font. I'm going to choose a cursive font just so you can get a better idea. So I'm going to choose rollcakes. Rollcakes is a font that I got from Font Bundles. So I'm just going to type in hello. Now, as you can see here, the hello is separated. And so I don't want to cut out the word separate. So if I were to go make, here you can see that it will cut separate. So I want to make one new image. So to do this, I'm going to select the font. I'm going to go and edit. I'm actually going to change the color just so that you can see the lines better. All right, so here we have hello. I'm going to go into actions and I'm going to ungroup the font. Now, by ungrouping it, I will be able to select each individual letter and I will be able to place them to my liking. And so I'm just going to place each letter the way that I want. And then I'm going to attach them so that I can duplicate. So there we go. So now I have two. So I'm going to show you the difference between weld and not weld. So I'm going to take the second one, the second image, and I'm actually going to weld it. So here you can see that in the first image on top, you can still see the cut lines going from the H to the E and the E into the L. And so if I were to send this off into the machine, because the image is attached, it will stay together. It won't be like the previous image where each letter was individual. This one will actually cut them together. But if you were to just leave the image like this and cut it out, this is what you would get essentially. So I'm going to detach and I'm only going to select the H and the E. And to get an idea of what it would look like if you were to cut it out in the machine, I'm going to slice it. And so by slicing it, it would give you an idea of what it would look like. So your H would cut into your E and then you'd have little pieces here. To avoid this, you'll want to select the wheel tool so that you can have one free-flowing image with no cut lines in between each letters to create the image on top. And so if I were to send off the second image, so the only image left on the screen here, if I were to send this off to the machine, it will cut as one image. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. I will answer them to the best of my abilities. Look out for my next video. I will have a video for each attach, group, and print and cut. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified for when those videos come out.